To attach two pieces of leather, you can use one of the two techniques below. Either sanding paper plus gluing using a water-based non-toxic glue, or simply leather double-sided tape. If using double-sided tape, measure the amount needed and cut. Then bring your other piece over and press them together. You can use these small clips from Clover and clip the pieces together to stop them from moving too much. If using sanding paper and glue, scratch off the stitching zone with the edge of the sandpaper. Be careful not to go over 3 mm, which is your seam allowance. Repeat for the opposite surface. And apply a bit of glue. Let it dry. And then stick them together and use the same clips to let the glue adhere.